lime green, my nigga two-faced, yeah, whip two-sided. Dairy fish and fried rain, my nigga put baby in a brand new attic. Tell a baby come slide the door. Big drip design, the clothes.
What it do, YouTube? We're back with another video. This is the To Be Continues vlog. Tonight we're gonna be heading to the car meet. Get y'all some footage up there. I promised my little cousins I was gonna take them up there, so hopefully it's a good turnout. Hopefully everybody pop out tonight, man. I don't want to let them down. You know, I've been speaking real highly of the Memphis car scene, but yeah, it should be a good turnout. We're gonna pop out up there for a second. We went downtown, man. They had a ball. They said they love Memphis downtown. It felt like kids in the candy store, and it wasn't even really just jumping like it used to be. But yeah, we're gonna head out there to this car meet, man. I'm gonna get some footage for them, and the video might not be too long because it's just gonna be a little car vlog. I'm just gonna show y'all what's going on at the car meet. I probably don't get to record much, but still need y'all to like, comment, and subscribe, man. Keep tapping in because we got a lot coming. And yeah, man, but that's just about it, though. I'm just gonna get this little footage for the car meet tonight. We gonna go kick it, chill for a minute, see what they bring out tonight, and I'm gonna be tapping back in with y'all, man. We out. Look at this fine automobile, y'all. Man, I love these junkies. Ooh. Engine in the back, and there's a V12. Ain't gonna get their tags. Man, that junk nice. Oh, damn, that's nice. Who shit is that? Who is it? I like this junk. Look. Oh, that's your junk, cuz? That's his junk. He drive on his own. Ooh, who junk is that? Man, that junk, that alley clean as hell, though. Both of them, but they ran into my cousin out here, poo. Yes, sir. Y'all gotta follow her YouTube. I'm gonna drop the link below. He do the lights too in the challenge. Him right here. He do the lights. Stop the dude. What's up with you, bro? I had went out there and picked them up yesterday. Really? Yep. I did. Drove out there and picked them up. No, I already changed. Gotta get them on the joint.
See, I got the lights.
Where? Yeah, that thing. That motherfucker so hard. Bag up, Kamar. lights. I need to add the grill light. That's so hard. I love the grill lights. I ain't even think to do them shit. What car? Ooh, Infinity. That's an Infinity. What, this real right here?
You know what I'm ready to see? That half and half charge.
Oh yeah, I ain't never seen him up here though.
I like shit like this, dude.
Huh?
I like little shit like
Yeah, the
this.
splitter.
I don't know what it's called.
It's called a splitter.
These are where all the cars. There's gonna be more cars.
It's normally even more. Yeah, that's the same junk like y'all with white and black. I say he won't. Here go another wide body. I ain't even see the wide body right here.
That's a Tesla.
This junk, so that's a wide body. That's a red eye. Yeah, it's a red eye. Yeah.
They say it's fucking better. That's what they say. But they
It's
say
a, ooh, I ain't even noticed this bit. God damn.
100% fucking play. I'm debating it. It's like 16.
That junk so hard.
I spent more than that at fucking Infinity. Yeah, I spent more than that at fucking
That's all.
Yeah, I see the lights on that junk.
Yeah. Look at the tires on it.
Ooh, they ready to blow the doors off something. I ain't even noticed this truck right here. Yeah, they got this junk heavily modded.
Dad, can you buy a Tesla?
A Tesla? When I get a little money.
This that same truck.
Nah, this ain't that truck we saw. This another. I ain't never saw this junk.
Dad, when we see on YouTube or just see
Man, it look like something you would play with on Need for Speed. That's a Camaro. This motherfucker right here though. That's where is it.
It's a Kia.
Man, that junk so hard.
It's a Kia.
I got it. Hey, Kadarius, did you see the red eye over there? The black one. Man, that what King want to see. King will be happy as boy. He see that junk. The red eye. It's a black red eye over there. I love them. What you call it? Like,
Camaro.
what?
The real one.
Yeah, it's Camaro.
What about that white one right there? Is that a Camaro too? That white one up there?
Yeah, that's Camaro too.
That's the nice thing. I still remember mommy. Black one. That's a nice one.
I ain't even see the Challenger right here. What jump it is? Come on.
These are some nice cars.
Sir.
Oh yeah, they will.
Man, we duck off, but nobody didn't know this. There, you need to chill out. Yeah, I like that grill light. It's hard. I ain't even noticed the lights on the front. Who is this? RT jump. It's hard.
So which car you like? Is that a Tesla here? Cause
It was a Tesla
Yeah,
up
I
there.
just showed you. It was a real one up there.
What's up, y'all? It was a Tesla up there. That's an SRT jump. Watch out, Kadir. I I ain't even see that. That's sad. Kadarius, stay over here, man. I done said it 3-4 times. That's not an old school, that's a Mustang. That's a Hellcat. God damn, how did this thing go right past? Hey, this junk so loud. It's a cam. Ooh, look at the lights.
Let my baby come on.
I gotta get these folks leaving. I don't know which way they going. Bag up, Kadarius. Bag up. Bag up, y'all. Damn. Bag up, Kadarius. I'm telling you, these cars sliding, man.
my nigga two-faced, yeah, whip two-sided. Dairy fish and fried rain, my nigga put baby in a brand new ad. Tell a baby come slide the door. Big drip designer clothes. See you with just vibe and pose. So baby come ride with roll, slide with roll. Black with the slime green, my nigga two-faced, yeah, whip two-sided. Dairy fish and fried rain, my nigga put baby in a brand new ad. Tell a baby come slide the door. Big drip designer clothes. See you with just vibe